In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11 for free. One-click method in 2026. First of all, I am going to show you my driver's status. Right-click on Start menu and click on Device Manager. Here you will find all of your drivers, and I am going to show you drivers last update. Right click on a driver and go to Properties. Click on Driver tab and you will find here last update on 2019, and I am showing another driver. Right click on the driver and click on Properties, then click on Driver tab and you will find here the driver date and all of my drivers last update on 2019 or 2023 or 2022. Now I am going to show you how to update all drivers at the same time. Go to the browser and browse google.com. In Google search, type Snappy Driver Installer, then hit enter. Here you will find the Snappy Driver Installer original official website, the Snappy Driver Installer Origin. Click on this link. Here you will find portable driver installation and update tool. Click on download now. Scroll down. Click on the link Snappy Driver Installer Origin and version number. Click on this link. The driver is downloaded. Right click on the downloaded file and then click on extract all. This is the installation location. If you wish, you can change that installation location. I am not changing. Click on extract. Here you will find two installation files, one for 32-bit architecture computer and another one for 64-bit operating system architecture. Now I am going to show you my computer system architecture type. Go to search. In search, type system information. Click on system information. Here you will find the system type 64-bit architecture PC. So I have to install 64-bit. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Windows protected your PC. Click on More Info. Then click on Run Anyway. This is the license agreement. You have to click on Accept. Then click on Allow. Here you will have three choices: download all driver packs, and download only network driver, and download indexes only. I will choose the third one. That means only the necessary drivers will be downloaded and installed. Now click on the third option, download indexes only, and the required driver is downloading. Download finished. The installer find two driver to update. Select the drivers. Then you will find install option in left menu pane. Now downloading and installing driver updates. Driver update installation finished. Now I need to restart my computer. Close the tool. Close File Explorer. Click on Start menu. Click on Power. And then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope all drivers in my Windows 11 computer has been updated. That's it. Thank you very much.